Our garden is in much need of a mow, but unfortunately it's too small for our mower to get into. Luckily, we have 6 automatic mowers who do the job just fine. Right here, right there, that fluffy one there is our guinea pig Victoria. The one behind her is her mother Mabel. Here we have an elder guinea pig whose name is Licorice. Somewhere in here is, right there, is a guinea pig named Matilda. She is niece to Mabel. And over here is her mother. Elizabeth is her name. And somewhere should also be her sister. Here we are. Here we are. Here's Matilda's sister, Anne. All in all, these guinea pigs are really enjoying in here, and eating to their heart's delight, just as the Lord intended them to.